Diggo Decks.
Hello everyone, welcome to Diggo Decks tutorial season show. Today we're going to talk about the Diggo Dribble. And if you don't know, I'm a card enthusiast. I open a lot of card packs, and when I do, people see me dribble, because that's one of the things I do to test. And they ask, how do you dribble? How do you dribble? So I'm going to teach you how to dribble today, and let's just get right into it, so there's no ifs, ands, or buts, blah, blah, blahs, and noise. Okay, so let's start with the grip. So the grip, if you don't know, if you do a dribble, you hold it like this, the deck. And my grip has been modified where I put the pinky on the side and the index on the other side, and then I do something like this, right, where I turn the cards. And they're a little beveled, and you could see the thumb there where that's going to help. And I recommend you try this with a new deck so you get a smoother dribble. With older decks, it's kind of hard to get to smooth because the cards kind of stick to each other. And the bevel on a newer deck just gives you a really smooth release, and you get something like this. You see that? Here, let me back up a little bit. You see that little smooth deck? All right, so I'm going to go to another view. So let's get started. I recorded this twice or 3 times because I forgot to talk about the grip. It's really hard to explain that this is where you start, and if you watch a lot of tutorials online, that's where people will teach you how to dribble, and that is a way to dribble, but I find you get the smoothest result when you do this grip here and you go like that. And I believe that grip has a name. I don't know the name of it. The bevel is what you want to do is you see my finger? Watch my thumb. You want to go like that. You see that? So here, let me do it from this view. You want to go like that. And what that does is it gives you that bevel. And then when you release, you want to make sure you have your cradle, and I know that move, or that name for the move. You want to make sure you cradle the card. So you want to have your hand out like in this weird claw motion. And what that does is the cards will naturally stay within the claw, the cradle. But yeah, so to dribble now, what you're going to do is you're going to your thumb is going to do all of the motion, and your pinky, see how my pinky is there? It's going to kind of hold the cards in, and what it's going to do is you're going to have to get a feel for how you handle the cards and how you drop them. But your index is going to push, your thumb is going to pull back, so you're going to have this motion like this. You're going to go like this. You see that? You see how my fingers... And then your pinky is literally just like a stabilizer. And these fingers here, they're just holding the cards. So, and you'll start to feel it. It's kind of like you're pushing the cards out, and that's what gives I believe my dribble. If there's somebody else who already made this, they can have the credit. If not, it's a Diggo dribble. Ask your friends that are cardists, they're magicians, and it takes practice. This deck is a little broken in, so the cards aren't as smooth. If you watch my other videos, I can get pretty high with it, and then you could start practicing to get I have some pictures that I've posted on my website where I'm really, you can lift your hand up pretty high to get like some really nice drops of the cards, and you get to take some pretty neat pictures. But otherwise, that's the tutorial. It's pretty simple. Grip, bevel, push, and practice. Just practice, practice, practice. It took me a long time to get that smooth drop. And right now, like, this is kind of low because you can go higher. And it takes strength. So as you build the muscles, you'll be able to push the cards, and they will fall faster. And then you can start to move your hand up or forward to get like certain effects. Like you can have the cards fall out like this. You can have the cards push down flat. Yeah, and it's fun. It's a neat little move. All right, let's go say goodbye. There it is, folks. The Diggo Dribble. Finally got to do it. Let me know if you try it. Jump in the Discord, show some videos of you trying it if you want. Curious to see what you think of the tutorial. Was that enough explanation? If not, leave a comment, let me know. I'm going to try to do more tutorials like for some of my own moves that I'm making, just to expand the channel and to get more people into cardistry to help, people see stuff. And it's like, some of the stuff isn't hard. It's just, it takes practice. Also, if you don't know, I'm doing the hobby channel. That's down in the description. You know, ripping some GPK, you know, other games. It's fun. I love hobbies. I love cards. I love it all. I love you, kind of. I don't really know you, so I can't really say I love you. You know what I mean. It's time to go. Anyways, God bless all of you. I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers!
Diggo Decks, Diggo Decks, Diggo Decks, Diggo Decks, gonna flex on your chest.